Hopefully you can hear this video okay. This is a video of the Kenworth 2019 T270 with a Miller Industries build, century bed, rollback. We have several of these trucks available. They are absolutely identical. They came from a local Virginia fleet. They have no rust, and they are extremely clean. They're on 22.5 alloy wheels. When I say no rust, there is no rust. These were not a cheap build. These trucks are premium interior package and premium exterior options. Stainless and aluminum trim, dual toolboxes, air ride seat. A couple of them still had the plastic on them, and they still smell new inside. The premium package is the wood grain trim. They have the PACCAR motor, under CDL, 26,000 pounds, so under CDL. You can see the floor condition, door panel where they're normally super greasy and dirty, edge of the seat, zero wear, air ride seats. The best thing about these trucks that's pretty hard to beat is these were purchased from Kenworth by Miller Industries. Miller Industries, not being a cheapskate, put the extended warranty package on these trucks. We have the paperwork documenting these trucks have a 5-year, 300,000-mile powertrain warranty and a 7-year unlimited mileage Allison transmission warranty. They come with all chains. They do have wheel lift. They do have the L-arms. They do have removable sides. You can see the condition of the bed, not dented and scarred up. Air horns. They have the wraparound 5th windows, which are extremely good for not having blind spots. Large power mirrors. PACCAR engines, which are basically a Cummins motor, so very, very bulletproof. Clean bodies, stainless around the cab lights, chrome on the mirrors, stainless moon visor, chrome grille, chrome bumper, alloy wheels with all the caps and lugs, Alcoa wheels. Still even got the stickers on the Alcoa wheels. You rarely see that. These trucks were a great find. Unfortunately, we're down to the very last few of them available. Currently have either 2 or 3 of these in stock. If you have any questions, feel free to call. We have about a dozen rollbacks currently in stock. 804-271-0030, or check the website davis4x4.com for the full listing of inventory. If you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out. 12,000-pound bed, 21 foot long. That's the other thing on these trucks. They are air ride rear suspension, LCG, low center of gravity, so they're easy to load and they ride well. Hard to beat these trucks at the savings. This particular truck has 78,000 miles. The other one that I just walked past has 40,000 miles. think one of them that we have has 60,000. So plenty available currently. If you like the vehicle delivered due to COVID-19, delivery is no problem. Currently, until the end of this month, courtesy delivery up to 500 miles is included free of charge. Doing our part to try to help. Another nice rollback, a Ram. Diesel Excursion, a couple of toys sitting out here this morning. All for sale as well. If you need anything at all, feel free to reach out. We appreciate you watching. If you're watching this on YouTube, be sure to subscribe to the channel. If you're on our website and you have any questions, just give us a call. Website and telephone number right there. Thank you.